Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are having a good day. Today I want to help you with a trouble I was having with Camtasia. In my case, I have Camtasia 2 and I have Big Sur installed in my Mac. And I was trying to record with my Camtasia and I was not able to do so. So the solution is pretty easy. As you can see, I have opened this security and privacy window in my general preferences or in the system preferences. And you just have to go here in security and privacy option, and you go down here. You have to look for your accessibility option. Okay, so you have to be sure that your Camtasia, your software appears here, your applications Camtasia appears here. If it doesn't appear, you just have to click here in the lock in the window. You click here. If you have your digital print option, you apply it, or if you have to put your password, you also do so, and well, you will unlock this, and you will, if Camtasia doesn't appear here, you just have to click here in the plus button and look for your Camtasia and click open. And this might be the solution of the problem. If not, you can also check if your in the camera option here in security, you have checked the Camtasia. So you have to be pretty sure it's checked on. If it doesn't, of course, you have to do so. And also in your microphone. I believe this is the problem we are pretty much having. When you try to record in your Camtasia, as you have seen, the record button doesn't appear, and this doesn't change that situation. But anyway, you click in the place where the button used to be and you start recording just normally. I saw before that when I was recording myself with my camera, it had some trouble. So this is my second video, which I'm trying to see if I am appearing correctly. Also, if you click in the custom region option when you start recording, I believe it's a better option for recording, because in that option you are able to see the record button when you want to start. Anyway, the other thing that you are able to do is to go up here where you have your Camtasia button, where you have pause recording, start recording, and so. And here, if you don't see the button and you feel uncomfortable with that, you are able to click here, start recording, and it works just fine. So I hope this information might be useful. Sometimes we lose a lot of time looking for information, and what I wanted to do is to make things easier for you. So thank you so much. Have a good luck, have a good day, and goodbye. Thank you.